How to fix Outlook signature missing. So here I am in Outlook, and then when I go ahead and create an email, so let's go ahead and create an email, click new email right here, go to the body of the email, and then when I click on signature, as you can see, there is no signature present right here, so the signature is missing. But when I click on signatures, I can still see my other signatures right here, and then I can use them. So for example, if I choose this, click OK, and they should be added right here. So let me try again, right here, and then click OK. So it's still not adding up right here. So this because I'm using the wrong email. So as you can see, I'm using how to explain video at outlook.com. And then when I go right here to signatures, as you can see, there are email accounts that you can use right here. So I have this email account, and then I also have this email account, and then they also have different signatures. But when I go to the email that I'm using, which is how to explain video, when I go ahead and click that, as you can see, there are no signatures present right here. So you can only use signatures that is from your email account. And then to fix this, what you can do is that you can simply copy and paste the signature that you have created in another email. So for example, let's go right here. And then let's say I want to use this signature right here. I can just simply select all of the content of the signature, copy it. Then I can go to my email account that I'm currently using, click new, and then let's just type in right here, signature, paste the content right here. So now we have our signature, click OK. Then now we can add it right here. And then now we have the added signature right here. Or what you can also do is that you can simply go to the email account that has that signature. So for example, I can go right here to my other account, which is how to explainer 1203. Click new email, go to signatures, and then as you can see, I now have the signatures right here. And then I can go ahead and use them. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the missing signature in Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.